we are the ones who teach students to learn something new about or as a future educator, we are the responsible of we are responsible to shape the young
Magtudlo ka, mabuhi ka,
because nothing in this world is
Dapat
permanently set in change. And through teaching, we can make change.
So, as you should know, I give ang need to teach. Okay, from the group 4. Okay, Julie, and your opinion.
Usually kami nakapatay mga
Go.
So I choose teach.
Teach.
It's because by teaching you're already living. So by that kibali daghan klase as a teacher daghan kayo ma-encounter ng mga kinabuhi sa uban.
Yes.
And by that pinaagi ana or pamaagi ana ma-share na imo sa uban. It's because you are teaching.
Yes.
So kung different life, different perspective, different idea, different attitude, beliefs. Ito mga to.
Okay, from the group 1. Kuya Thomas. Kuya Thomas.
So it is like comparison of for me, I choose teach. Like, ano yung kurang dakong impacto ang imong pagtudlo isip tali ginabuhi mo. Or in other words, you love it. Akay passion ba? Then ano ba? Kung ato ka eskwelahan or sa field, magtudlo ka dito, siyempre with love. So ang imong goal is ang imong estudyante na makalearn siya. Ang imong estudyante is na sabi sila makuha. Well, para sa pagod, kung dito ka sa ganun ba sa understanding na nakikita mo yan, for the sake of job, gano'n na gani. So there is mga factor na what if kanang di ka pinaka, what if kanang feeling down ka, so ka din sa kinukuha nyo, trabaho, kayo nga na. And what if wala kay gana,